Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change custom text direction in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides and included text, chart, image and shapes. Now we want to add custom text direction. Now we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu. Now I am create a blank slide. Then go to the home insert menu. Then click the text box. Then draw a text box. Now I am write anything into this text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then we can see here the text direction. Now I am select any direction. You can see here are many directions. Rotate to 170 degree, otherwise rotate 90 degree horizontal or straight. You can rotate this customizably. Go to the more rotation and we can see here the position of this rotation. You can set any rotation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.